Okay, I saved the game right where it's at. So now we're about to start. Oh, flying, and we are flying. Oh my goodness, I gotta get myself back situated here. It just took off, and look at that. My flaps are all the way down. Oh, and I'm stalling. Oh no. Oh no, it's gonna be a miracle if I can. Oh, it's gonna be a miracle if I can do this. We gotta climb, but we're stalling. Oh, no, 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 we can't stall. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it out of here. We're just almost 7,000 feet. And you can see the big lava dome there and the glacier that's developed over the years. Oh. Come on, I'm having to let off the stick. So I can get my speed back up. We're gaining altitude. Is it going to be enough? Is it going to be enough? I didn't save it soon enough. But we're certainly getting a really nice view of the inside of the mountain, of the crater. Oh, no, no, no. We're almost stalled. My speed's down way too far. I don't know if I can get out of this. Oh. Come on, climb, baby, climb. I think that's about the lowest point right there in front of me. And I don't think I'm going to be able to make it. No, I'm not making it. Okay. Well, we'll have to go back and restart it. At least I can restart it at that area. No, we're not going to make it. Unfortunately, just... well, yeah, that's it. We're done. Okay, this is going to be my second attempt to get out of this situation I got myself into. Unfortunately, I saved the game too late and my altitude is too low. So we're about to hit ready to fly. Okay, so here we go. Okay, see, I'm stalling already. There's just no way. So let's go ahead and turn. There's no way I was going to gain enough altitude fast enough to make it straight forward. So, okay, now we're okay. So we'll just kind of go this direction and let our speed build back up and get some altitude and make another shot of it. Okay, I'm going to start to make my turn. Hopefully not losing altitude, and I'm not. And hopefully not losing any speed. And we're about to lose sight of Rainier, and now Adams coming into the picture. We're straight ahead. Oh, speed. I lost a whole bunch of speed there. Okay, straight ahead is where Harry Truman was at. Right there, right where the plane was pointed at. He was an interesting old guy. He was around 80, I think, when the accident happened, or when the eruption happened. Okay, I think we'll definitely make it this time. I just wasn't paying attention to what I was doing before, and my altitude was too low, and I saved the game way too late. Can't imagine what it was like for either Dave Johnson or Harry Truman. I wonder about Harry Truman, what he was doing that morning. And, there was a huge earthquake which triggered, the massive, massive landslide. And then it just opened the mountain up and it just exploded. And, what was he doing? What was he thinking those last, those few seconds? I mean, he obviously felt something, but just had seconds before it was on him. And by that time, it was just too late. He had no chance. And Dave Johnson didn't either. He had a little bit more time because he's farther away. But, what was he doing those last seconds? Nobody will ever know. Okay. Come on, baby, climb, climb. Again, this is going to be a little tough. I'm not so sure that I might make it here. We're slowly gaining some altitude, but the mountain's coming at me pretty quick. And I don't have any more airspeed to spare. Oh my goodness, I don't know. Come on, baby, climb. As long as we're holding the speed right where we're at, I think we'll be okay. And we're only going to climb a little bit more. I think I'm going to make it now. That's a little tighter than I thought it would be. Come on, baby, almost 9,000 feet. I'm sure I'm going to make it now. So at least I kind of know where the rim of Mount St. Helens is sitting at. About 9,000 feet. Yeah, we're going to make it over it. All right. I feel better because I'm going to have to shut this thing down. I'm starting to get pretty tired. I haven't even made my dinner yet. Alrighty, there we go. I'm going to make it over Mount St. Helens. Letting off the stick now. Alright, completely let off. Oh, I should have been looking at this view. The lava dome in there. There we go. Oh, interesting. I wish I was a young man again with all kinds of energy. I just don't have that anymore. One last look back. Okay, well that's going to be it. We're going to go ahead and active pause this right here. And come on. Active pause, okay. So we'll be back maybe tomorrow at this time with another video as we continue flying the Cessna 172 Skyhawk. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.